Understanding Facebook ad structure, campaigns, ad set, and ads. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Morii Media YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to go over the structure of Facebook ads and how to understand what each level means. So, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the rest of my videos. I make videos about paid media, from Facebook ads to Google ads, all types. But for this video, I'm just going to be talking about Facebook ads and the structure. So, a quick overview. I'm going to go over the campaign as far as, when you're setting your goals, the ad set to define your strategy, the ads to share your message. And then I'm also going to go over some key differences and just recap. And then I'm also going to talk about why the campaign structure even matters. Alright, so when you're running Facebook ads, it's important to understand how everything is organized. Meta uses 3 levels to structure and manage your advertising. So the first one we have is campaign. Right? So with campaign, you're setting your goal. So we have campaign, we also have ad set, and then we have ads. Each level serves a different purpose, and together they create a system that helps you set goals, define your audience, and deliver effective ads. So they all connect with each other. So starting out first with campaign. So the campaign is at the top. It's at the top level of your ad structure. So it's where you choose your main advertising objective, such as your traffic, your leads, and your conversion. You're able to choose like your traffic, and that's where you want to send people, like if you wanted to send people to your website, for example. Leads, that's a way for you to collect signups, and then conversion is a way for you to drive purchases or action. So everything inside the campaign will optimize to meet a specific goal. So take a minute to think of a campaign as your why. So why are you even running this ad to begin with? Next, the second level is called the ad set, which you're able to define your strategy. So with the ad set, it's inside of each campaign. So each campaign has ad sets, so you're able to create your ad set, and this is where you can control your targeting, which is who sees your ad, from age to gender to interest to location. You're able to figure out your budget, how much money you're wanting to spend daily or lifetime. You're able to schedule when your ads are running, and then you're also able to control your placements, which is where you will want your ads to appear. Do you want them to appear on Facebook feed, Instagram story? So keep in mind, each ad set can represent a different strategy or audience segment. So you can run multiple ad sets within one campaign to test what works. So a good question to ask yourself when it comes to ad sets. You can ask yourself, how and to whom will I deliver my ads to? So you're really trying to figure out, who am I targeting? And how much am I wanting to spend? Now, for budget, I made different budgeting videos. I will leave one in the card below, or above. But you want to get crystal clear with how and to whom will I deliver my ads to. Alright. So the third level, and this is the last level, we have ads. So you're able to share your message. So at the final level, you can create the ads themselves, which is the content your audience would see. So it's kind of like the tip of the iceberg, right? So each ad will include formats, different creative formats like images, video, or carousel ads. It will also consist of ad copy, which is like headlines and descriptions. You will also have your call to action, which is shop now, learn more, book now, check out. So you can create multiple ads within one ad set to test different creatives and find out which performs the best. So you want to ask yourself, when you're creating your ads, what will people see and interact with? All right. So some quick key differences recap. I made a little table. We have the different levels. We have campaign, ad set, and ads, and then the purpose. For campaign, we want to set, that's when you set your main goal, and then the purpose of your ad set is to define how to reach your audience. And then the purpose of the ad is to deliver your message. And with the key decisions for campaign, you want to choose objectives like traffic or sales. And then for ad set, you want to set your target, your targeting, your target audience. You want to figure out your budget. You also want to set up a schedule if necessary. And then you want to figure out what placements that you want to use or what made the most sense for your campaign. And then last but not least, we have ad. Some of the key decisions here is the design of your visuals, what your ad copy is going to be like, and what call to action you're going to have. So you may be wondering, why does the campaign structure even matter? Well, in order to understand why this matters, you need to understand the structure. So we have the campaign, the ad set, and then the ad structure. So basically, this helps you stay organized. You're able to target the right people. You're able to test different strategies, and you're also able to improve your audience performance or your ad performance. So by mastering this simple hierarchy, you can create more effective data-driven Facebook ad campaigns. So with that being said, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like content like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, if you need help setting up your campaign structure, I have left different guides in the description down below, or you can just reach out to me. I'll be more than glad to help you do a one-on-one, help you set up your campaign and your ad set and your ads. I'm a freelancer. I do Facebook marketing for a living. So I'll be more than glad to help you. I will leave my LinkedIn in the description down below. Be sure to reach out to me. Probably, depending on when you're watching this video, I might have a Calendly I can leave down below as well. So with that being said, peace.